And I'll request that we take our seats kindly as I invite Bastian to come and autograph a football, and he will then present it to His Excellency. Please come. You may autograph that football and present it to His Excellency. Meanwhile, if we can move this to the center. So he will autograph the football together with the jerseys as well. So Bastian will present the ball. If we can give some space here. Then if you can also autograph the jersey, one of the jerseys, since one is black, and Qual Chair will present the jersey to His Excellency. Your Excellency, this particular UEFA Cup can only be handled by this gentleman, Bastian, and you are allowed to come close to it. Hopefully that's not the closest Arsenal will come to the UEFA Cup, hopefully. That can be presented. Chair, you can stand on this side. Yeah. So, Your Excellency, I'll request that you just stand next to the cup for a photo opportunity. Wonderful. As I said, hopefully that's not the closest that Arsenal will come to the trophy. And next, I'll invite the Qual Board Chairperson and the MD kindly to come for a photo op. Chair, you can come on this side, MD on that side. Or maybe for... Okay. After that, I'll be inviting the CS Sports, the PS. After this one, sir. Yeah, right there. CS Sports, please join. And the PS, if you can kindly come. Balance it, so PS, you can be on that side. Then after this, I'll be inviting the Qual team and UEFA representatives. Your Excellency, you're allowed to hold it on one side. That's a privilege.
Yes.
No, you're not allowed to lift it. Apparently, only the winners are allowed to do that. All right. Let's have the Qual team together with the UEFA representatives. Qual team together with UEFA representatives. Together with FKF president. Qual team, you can take your seats. Let's have FKF. Qual team can take your seats, FKF. Then the last frame is going to be CS Sports, FKF leadership, and the players present. Your Excellency, just one more with you alone. The rest of us, kindly, if we can all step down with His Excellency with the trophy. You can hold it, sir.
Your Excellency, you are the only one.
Bastian, former Bayern, Munich and Manchester United midfielder, UEFA representatives, footballers, and all invited guests. Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, I'd like us to proceed straight to the speeches that we're going to have this afternoon. Very brief remarks, and I'll start off with the Qual Board Chairman, Mr. Kuria Mushiro, who will come and make some introductory remarks. Let's welcome him with a clap. Welcome, Wana Chair.
Your Excellency, William Samoei Ruto, Commander-in-Chief, thank you very much for sparing time in your very busy schedule to receive us and to receive this cup. We come here in a celebration mood, Your Excellency. I think you know that sport unites people, it unites a country, it unites nations. And we bring to you today Heineken and UEFA Champions League. And we have some intelligence, Your Excellency, that you are a national supporter. We have some intelligence that, we know that Arsenal is going to Parc des Princes in Paris next week. And I want to tell you, Your Excellency, that this Champions League tour is a five-country tour: Indonesia, Vietnam, South Africa, Zambia, and this is the last stop. So you'll be the last president to hold the cup. So maybe we are used to watching our teams and them giving us joy. You may be able to inspire your team that, please, as I'm holding this cup, can you be the next ones to lift it when Munich comes? I think we are all football fans, and Heineken supports the die-hard fans. And we know that you support us also. It's a good opportunity for you. But, Your Excellency, we also want to tell you that we are here because Qual has a 44% share, which is owned by the government. You are also our shareholders. And we want to assure you, Your Excellency, we are working very closely with CS Lee, and we are a company that is complying with the laws. We made profits, and we actually are paying dividends, Your Excellency. I know that's very key to you. We are paying dividends. So we are complying with the law, and we believe that the challenges we had in 2024 will be behind us. And today we have had a session with CS Mburia and PS Elijah Mwangi, and we'll see how we can support football locally. Because Heineken is at a global level, we want to see what we can do locally. So Your Excellency, we don't want to tell you very much, but I did come with my team. Our team is led by a lady. Lina Githuka can stand. I will not ask the others to stand. But we have got people behind you who run this group. And I want to say to you that they are doing a fantastic job, and we have got the support of your government as we do what we are doing. So this is it's a tour, it's a celebration. It's really, you're the only one who is allowed to touch this cup, and Bastian. And Bastian, as you perhaps know, is from Bayern, and he won the Champions League with Bayern, also in Man United. He's a legend, and he's a legend of football, so we really are very grateful that he was able to come. We don't have much to say, Your Excellency, just to say thank you, Asante Sana, for receiving us. You're receiving it on behalf of Kenya, and really telling people we're here for sports. Asante Sana.